So today I'm going to be doing a college dorm haul for you guys. I recently just got my bedding, and it came with a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys the overall price, what it came with, and show you guys what I got. Then I also got myself some things from Target just to last me these little 4 months that we're going to be there in college, and some stuff my bestie got me, and just some other gifts and stuff to show y'all. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start out with is this LED clip lamp that I got in the box. This clip fan, super cute. I was gonna buy a fan, but it came with one, so that's nice. So I also got a laundry bag, and so my room decor is pink and gray. That's what my roommate and I picked out, so you're gonna see a lot of pink and gray and white. Just saying. So this is the comforter that I got. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of everything, how it looks online. This is what I got. Super cute. Okay, so these are the sheets that it came with. Let me try not to show my nails. I need my nails though. And this is the other one. This is the blanket that it came with. Super cute. This is the storage caddy that it came with. If you don't know what a caddy looks like, it looks just like this. I got this one from Target for like $4, so you should get you one. So it also came with some bath towels. It came with 2 bath towels and washcloths. So you can see all of it that they came with. It's such a pretty color too, so I'm excited about that. Here is the mattress pad. Oh no. This is a blanket. Period. This is the blanket. It already feels soft. This is a micro plush blanket. Super cute. This is the memory foam mattress topper that it comes with. On the website that I got this from it's connected with my college. They give you a choice of like triple memory foam, double memory foam, and just regular. I think this is just regular. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw this. So I also got a period. I didn't know I had this. Okay. And under bed bag, because I should open and show y'all. That makes sense. Okay, I lied. This is what it looks like. I thought it was the. Anyways, another under bed bag. It also came with another mattress pad. Super cute. Bath towel, bath sheet. It comes with 2 pillows. And they already seem really soft, so it comes with a laundry. I thought I showed that. I don't know. So that is everything that it came with. Overall, it was about $340, I think. But it comes with a lot of stuff, and there's different packs you can get. Like I think this is the varsity pack that I got. So just go on your college website. Now onto the stuff that I got myself and from my friends. Sorry guys, I'm boring. I don't know how to act in front of a camera. The first thing that I got was some beauty blenders. It was about like $5 at TJ Maxx, so you should get you some. Super soft. I got some makeup brushes from my best friend. I got a loofah from my best friend. So I also got all of these loofahs from TJ Maxx. Period. This gonna last me the 4 months that we there. So I'm excited about that. And they were like $5 at TJ Maxx, so you should get some. I also got a power strip, power cord, or whatever you want to call it, from TJ Maxx. It was about $8, so y'all should really go to TJ Maxx. Like, it got everything for you, I swear. But yeah, I know I'm gonna need that in college. And I also got some new sprays for myself to last me them 3 months in college. I got this one from Target. It's from Victoria's Secret. This one from Target is like heaven. I already went through like 2 of these, so I'm just saving this one for college. And I also got some toothbrushes, and I know toothbrushes last like about 3 months each. So this one lasts me. And it's like charcoal infused. I got it from Target for like $3. So Hello is a good brand for toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash. If you're interested. I'm talking so fast for no reason. Why I need to relax. Alright, so I also got some hair masks, face masks from my best friend, so I can use these in my dorms. From Anthropology, my favorite perfume is literally called Vanilla. And my best friend, she also got me some makeup wipes, the pens, some lip gloss. I'm gonna need like 4 more lip gloss when I go. And I also got some foam wash for myself. I got all these cards from family. And I know I'm gonna need a lot more toiletries, but when we get to my college, we're gonna go shopping that same day we move in for toiletries and any other necessities. It is July 10th, and I'm probably not gonna finish it until August 12th, August 13th, 14th, from when I move in. I'm gonna show y'all. Actually, no, I'm gonna separate it. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. This video is just gonna be.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling loud, she no skateboard P.